Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be starting on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair the day before and did 2 braids so my hair can be stretched. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing 2 buns, 2 spiced up buns. So right here, I'm gonna be starting off by doing a middle part. Just to spice up my 2 buns, I'm gonna be doing small sections with rubber bands. So I'm gonna be starting off by using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. Also, to get my hair laid and slayed, I'm gonna be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. You guys know how much I rave about this product. I love it. It doesn't leave any flake or residue on my hair. I have low porosity hair and products tend to sit on top of my hair, but this product does wonders for me. So I'm gonna be adding oil to my rubber bands just so I don't get breakage when I use these rubber bands on my hair. So this section is just self-explanatory, so you can just go ahead and watch what I do and enjoy. Okay, so now that I'm done with the rubber band method, I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair with the leave-in. I'm just gonna comb that through and then start with my bun process, so keep watching. Here, I'm adding more of the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. I'm just gonna be adding that around the perimeter of my hair. This is the main reason why I rave about this product. Look at this. Look how smooth my hair is. My nape is snatched in. Everything is laid and slayed. This product works better for me than the HAIRSTYLE gel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail and show you guys what I'm working with. Here I'm just adding more of the leave-in on the ends of my hair just to keep it moisturized while it's in a bun. So just to give my hair that extra laid and slayed, I'm gonna be using a scarf to tie around my hair just for 10 to 15 minutes so I can keep away all flyaways and have my hair looking good for a couple of days. That rhyme, flyaways, couple of days. These flowers looking pins I got at my local beauty supply store, each for $1. Honestly, they're easy to break. I bought 6 or 7 and I only have 4 left. So KK squad, let me know down in the comment section how well did I do with this hairstyle. Rate my hairstyle from 1 to 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. And also please remember to subscribe. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.